I am Mahesh Gorushna Shinde, a SMI mechanical student from College of Engineering, Pune. In this video, we will see the lathe machine operation. Let's see. Lathe machine is a very important and versatile machine for performing various mechanical operations. It is commonly used for shaping the wooden objects or metallic objects. The working principle of lathe machine is it holds the workpiece between the two rigid and strong supports and the workpiece revolves. The cutting tool is held and fed against the revolving workpiece. The cutting tool feeds either parallel or at right angles to the axis of the workpiece, or may also at an angle depending upon the type of the operation. Lathe machine operations: facing, knurling, grooving, thread cutting, drilling, chamfering, turning, boring. Let's see one by one. Facing: it is a process of cutting a flat surface perpendicular to the rotational axis of the workpiece. This process is used to decrease the length or the diameter of the workpiece. The next process is knurling. It is a process by which a pattern of straight, angle or cross line is rolled or impressed on the surface of the workpiece. The purpose of doing knurling on the workpiece is it increase the appearance, provide better grip, or in case of press fitting, it increase the diameter of the workpiece. Grooving: it is a process of forming a narrow cavity of a certain depth on cylinder, cone or face of the workpiece. The next process is thread cutting. Thread cutting is a process of creating a screw thread on external or internal surface of the workpiece. Let's see in the video how the thread cutting process actually happens. These are the examples of thread cutting. The next process is drilling. Drilling is the cutting process that uses a drill bit to cut a hole of circular cross section in a solid materials. The next process is chamfering. This process is used to remove any rough ridges, edges or areas from a part after shaping. The purpose of performing chamfering is to provide good safety for handling the workpiece. These are the example of chamfering. Turning. Turning is a machining process in which a cutting tool, typically a non-rotated tool bit, describes a helix tool path by moving or less linearly while the workpiece rotates. There are types of turning. First is taper turning. In a taper turning, tool bit moves parallelly to the axis of the workpiece by increasing the radial distance to give a frustum-like shape or a conical shape to the workpiece. The next is the counter turning. Instead of feeding the tool parallel to the axis of the rotation, tool follows a counter that is not necessarily straight. This gives a curved surface to the workpiece. Form turning. In the form turning, tool bit does not move parallelly to the axis of the workpiece, but it moves perpendicularly to the axis of the workpiece. Whatever the shape of the edges of the workpiece is given to the tool bit is given to the workpiece. Let's see in the video how actually the turning process occurs. The next process is boring. This process is used to enlarge the diameter of the existing hole. Let's see in the video. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.